prepare to move into the new building. I'm very excited about the new building, but there is a sense of this really has been home for 10 years. It's really easy to just get excited for the new building, but really, yeah, there's a feeling of grief and sadness because so much has happened in this building. I'm attached, but I think the key is I'm attached to the people, the students and the faculty and the people I'm serving with. So many memories here, really good memories.
The fact that we're mourning this speaks to the tremendous sacrifice and love and vision that previous and past administrators who helped found this place poured into it. And I'm so grateful as a parent and also as a Great Hearts headmaster for that love and that vision. And all of the sweat that was poured into making this place truly a garden for children.
Being able to have a new space doesn't take the heart out of Great Hearts, but it really does allow everybody to just experience it in a more clean and efficient way. And I probably don't remember everything that I learned, but I do remember the experiences and the people and the relationships that I built. And there's still people that I got to meet in kindergarten that I still know to this day.
That culture's not changing, that approach is not changing. Faculty will still be great-hearted. Our students are still going to be encouraged to be participating in intellectual and moral excellence. And so those things won't change. It's just the physical space is actually improving and going to be safer and better for our students to learn in.
Our whole project at Great Hearts Irving, our K-12 story, is foundationally epic. And that's a word that's used in popular culture, but I'm speaking of it in the literary sense. It looks back at the story of the past, and then it also looks forward. And so as we move into this new building, I've always thought how beautiful it is that there are the things that you take into this new glorious space that you want to preserve and keep for the next generation. And we're just excited that we bring forward the traditions, the stories, the gorgeous curriculum, the passionate faculty, and the beautiful families with us to the new space.
It is an immense joy that we are here today to celebrate the official opening of the new lower school building. This moment marks the culmination of an 11-year journey, a decade-long odyssey to find a permanent home and a testament to the dedication of our entire community. This building is more than just a place to learn. It is a physical manifestation of our commitment to a beautiful, rich, and rigorous classical education.
I really think about this new building as our Latium, right? This is our founding of Rome. We are losing something incredibly meaningful and important with this lower building, but knowing that we are in this transition to a new space, going to have to create some new traditions as we have an expanded faculty, as we have new students come in. We're jumping into a new space. We've got to fill it out. We've got to bring life and color to that location. But man, even walking through the halls as it was being built and seeing it now that we are in its final stages, cannot wait to be in there and to show our students and families.
Know that you are being loved well and that you enter into a story that is one of love, one that is of the tradition, a story that is larger than yourself, a story that has stood the test of time in the Western classical tradition. And in this new building, that story isn't ending. We're just getting started at Great Hearts Irving.